Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the top cover, battery, solid-state drive if installed, and system board. Removal: remove the display panel cable from the routing channel on the right speaker. Peel back the metallic shielding that covers the speaker cable. Remove the speaker cable from the routing channel on the base enclosure. Remove the two 5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the speakers to the base enclosure. Lift the speakers off of the alignment pins and slide them out from under the lip on the base enclosure and remove. Replacement: tow the speakers under the lip on the base enclosure and lower them onto the alignment pins. Replace the two 5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the speakers to the base enclosure. Route the speaker cable through the routing channel on the base enclosure. Replace the metallic shielding that covers the speaker cable. Route the display panel cable through the routing channel on the right speaker.